Welcome to Boost My Sale. This video tutorial demonstrates how to create an automated repricing for your Amazon inventory using your web store admin panel. To start a product repricing, let's go to the Manage Max Min Price Rule section and set the minimum and maximum price rules. Minimum and maximum prices are the threshold value of your product pricing limits. We will never price below your minimum price or above your maximum price. Here you can see the existing min-max price rules, and you can create new min-max price rule by using add maximum minimum rule button on the top right. Here give the rule name. It should be a meaningful name to your min-max price rule. Rule for, check the correct option of whether you are creating the rule for defining the minimum price or maximum price. Price to consider, select whether the pricing boundaries would be applied on your product's cost price or selling price. Change price, if you are creating rule for maximum price, then the price should be increased. You can either select increase by option and enter the percentage of increase in product price, or select increase to option and enter the absolute value of your product price increase. Status, it can be active or inactive. Now save the given values and you can find your newly created pricing rule here. Now let's go back to the manage repricing page and refresh the page. Here you can assign your recently created pricing rules. The process is, first select the marketplace from the drop down. It should be Amazon India, for which you would like to apply the automated repricing rule. You can find the products in Amazon India here. Now select one or multiple products from the list and apply the maximum rule that you have just created, maximum price for Amazon India. You can find the maximum price of your selected products here. Similarly, again select the product from the list and apply the minimum pricing rule from this drop down. You can see the minimum price of your selected products is updated here. The next step is creating a repricing rule. Repricing rule is a configuration to set up to achieve the particular price goals. A combination of rules allow you to create different approaches to different product groups. It's a great way to keep your prices competitive within the parameter you select. Let's go to the manage repricing rule section and create a new repricing rule by click on the button on the top right. Here you can see the existing repricing rules here, and you can create a new repricing rule by click on add repricing rule button on the top right. Here select the marketplace. You can find the list of all supported marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, Paytm, etc. Select the Amazon India, for which you would like to create the repricing rule. Give a appropriate name to your repricing rule. Enter brief description. Compare with. Here you can find the different type of price adjustment options to beat the Amazon competitors and win the race to the buy box. Beat by, this option is for giving the percentage value to beat the lowest competitive price of the product in the Amazon marketplace. Beat to, this option is for giving the absolute value to beat the lowest competitive price of the product in Amazon marketplace. Above by, this option is for giving the percentage value to stay above of the lowest competitive price of the product in the Amazon marketplace. Above to is for the absolute value to stay above of the lowest competitive price of the product in Amazon marketplace. The last option is match. It is for adjusting the product price in such a way so that it matches the lowest competitive price in the Amazon marketplace. Only compete with. You can set up more advanced rule to define your competitors such as buy box or feature seller to compete against. 99% sellers are trying to win over the buy box. If no competition, this rule would be applied on the unique product listing on the Amazon. If your product has no competition in the Amazon, then you can set to use either maximum price or minimum price or same price as product price. The rule is ready and you can save the reprice rule. Your newly created rule will reflect here. You can see the all existing repricing rules here. And now the last step is again go back to the manage repricing page. Refresh the page again. Follow the same process here. What you have done to assign the maximum pricing and minimum pricing. Select the marketplace from this drop down. It should be Amazon India, for which you would like to apply the repricing rule. Select the products and apply the repricing rule. Congratulations, now you can see the repricing is working in real time and affect the live marketplace prices. When a product reaches to the lowest competitive price in Amazon, the marketplace price field will blink with green color. When a competitor price beats your product price, then Amazon marketplace price field will blink with red color. BoostMySell's repricing solution is monitoring the competitors' prices 24/7 and increasing your sales and profits. Thank you.